Welcome back. In this session, we'll be talking about operations in restricted and prohibited airspace. We'll also touch upon notices to airmen, or NOTAMs. SUAS operations are prohibited in special use airspace, identified as prohibited or restricted areas. You must receive prior authorization from the controlling agency. This is a side note regarding prior authorization and communication with the various airspaces. Contact the controlling agency for prohibited and restricted areas. In contrast, contact the ATC for controlled airspace, which includes Class B, Class C, Class D, and Class E designated for an airport. All right, notices to airmen, or NOTAMs. They are considered time-critical aeronautical information updates which are considered essential to the safety of flight. They receive immediate dissemination. NOTAMs are issued for a number of reasons, including hazards such as air shows, parachute jumps, high-altitude kite flying, rocket launches, and flocks of birds. They are also issued for temporary flight restrictions, which we cover in a later session. They are also issued when there are flights by important people such as heads of state or military exercises with resulting airspace restrictions. They may also be issued when there are inoperable lights on tall obstructions or temporary obstacles near airfields. Gaining access to NOTAMs is fairly straightforward. You can call directly at the flight service station at 1-800-WX-BRIEF or the various internet services that you see here.